Broken or stuck dampers in your ductwork can seriously mess up your airflow and make your home feel all kinds of uncomfortable. So if your air isn't flowing like it should, first check the damper in your ductwork. These little flaps control how much air moves through each vent, and when they get stuck or broken, you end up with rooms that are way hotter or colder than the rest of the house. To fix it yourself, try locating the damper handle near the duct. Sometimes just moving it back and forth a few times frees it up. If it's stuck because of rust or dirt, grab a little lubricant and spray it on so it moves smoother. When the damper is damaged or completely jammed, replacing it might be your only option, and most hardware stores carry standard sizes you can swap out. Make sure to turn off your HVAC system before messing with the ductwork to avoid any accidents or dust blowing everywhere. If you're not super handy, don't stress. Calling a pro who knows duct systems can save you time and headaches. Once your damper works right, you'll notice your airflow balancing out, making every room way more comfy without cranking the thermostat. Plus, fixing it helps your heating and cooling run more efficiently, which might save you some cash on bills. One of the biggest issues with damaged or stuck dampers causing airflow imbalance is ignoring the problem until your energy bills skyrocket. Catch it early and you'll save money. Another common mistake is trying to force a stuck damper without checking for rust or dirt buildup, which can just break it worse. Instead, clean and lubricate first. Lastly, many folks forget to turn off the HVAC system before working in the ducts, which can blow dust in your face or even damage parts, so always switch it off before starting repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is a great place to find trusted local contractors who specialize in ductwork and HVAC fixes, making your search way easier. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, BigHomeProjects.com helps you connect with homeowners looking for your skills so you can grow your business.